Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the intriguing process of getting Windows 10 to run on your Chromebook. There are a few methods we'll explore, so let's get started. Method 1 involves creating a virtual machine for Windows 10 within your chromeOS. Please note that this method is compatible with specific Chromebook models, so check the video description for a list of supported devices. To begin, we'll download a copy of Windows 10. While that's downloading, let's enable Linux apps on our Chromebook. Head over to System Settings and click on the Linux icon in the left panel. Turn on Linux apps and make sure your Linux folder has at least 40 gigabytes of space allocated. Now, if your Chromebook supports this method, you can continue with the installation. However, my Chromebook isn't one of the compatible devices, so I can only guide you up to the point of booting the Windows installer. With Linux apps enabled, let's proceed by running several terminal commands. These commands will install the necessary programs for creating a virtual Windows machine. You can find all the commands in the video description. Copy the first command and open a terminal session from your app menu. Paste the command into the terminal using either a two-finger click or pressing Ctrl, Shift and V simultaneously. This command updates your Linux apps repositories and should run automatically after pasting. Moving forward, we need to install a few packages that are essential for setting up Windows as a virtual machine on your Chromebook. Now, let's wait for Windows 10 to finish downloading. Once it's done, open the Windows ISO file in your file manager and move it to your Linux folder. You'll also want to launch an application called Virtual Machine Manager. From there, you can create a virtual machine for Windows, configuring it like a standard Windows computer. It's essential to note that this method can be a bit tricky, and the compatibility of your Chromebook matters. Even when it works, it may not provide the smoothest experience due to performance limitations and occasional quirks with the virtualization software. Now, if you have a compatible Chromebook, this method is a great way to experiment with Windows 10, but it might not be suitable for daily use. Let's move on to method 2, which is a more universal approach and doesn't depend on your Chromebook model. This method involves a web service where you can rent a Windows machine and access it via a web page. Keep in mind that this service isn't free, but they do offer a trial period. The service provides pre-installed packages for popular programs, and you can also install your preferred software. It's a flexible option if you need Windows occasionally. Finally, Method 3 is exclusive to Enterprise Edition Chromebooks. This service has been available since 2006 and was initially designed for MacBooks. We hope you find these methods useful for getting Windows 10 on your Chromebook. Check out the video description for more details and resources. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more captivating videos.